Did you know most Arab flags look almost identical? Red, green, white, over and over. Again, Egypt, Iraq, Syria, Yemen, Palestine, Sudan, Kuwait. It almost feels like copy-paste. But why? At first glance you might think it's just coincidence, but symbols are never random. Every choice on a flag carries a story, an identity, and a struggle. So when so many nations share the same colors, there has to be a deeper reason. And the answer takes us back more than 100 years, to a time of empire, revolution, and the dream of unity, early 20th century. The Ottoman Empire controlled most of the Arab world, but nationalist movements were rising, demanding freedom, independence, and a shared identity. These movements needed a symbol, something to unite millions of people across different lands, and that's when the famous Pan-Arab colors were born. Each color carried history. Black stood for the Abbasid Caliphate, one of the great Islamic dynasties. White represented the Umayyad Caliphate Empire stretching from Spain to Central Asia. Green was the color of the Fatimid Caliphate, but also deeply tied to Islam itself, symbolizing paradise and life. And red stood for courage and sacrifice, but also the Hashemite dynasty, a powerful Arab family that played a leading role in the Arab Revolt. In 1916, these four colors came together in one design, the Arab Revolt flag. It was simple, it was bold, and it carried an idea much larger than itself: Arab unity against Ottoman and colonial rule. This single flag sparked a wave. As independence movements grew, newly emerging nations looked back to those colors. From Egypt and Syria to Iraq and Palestine, from Sudan to Yemen, the same palette spread like wildfire. Of course, no two flags are exactly the same. Some nations used horizontal stripes, others vertical. Some added stars, others added emblems, coats of arms, or even swords. Each variation reflected local struggles, local heroes, and local dreams. But the shared colors kept the common heritage alive. And here's where psychology comes in. Flags aren't just decoration, they're signals. Instant shortcuts to identity. They tell people you belong, and they tell outsiders, this is who we are. So when Arab countries fly red, green, white, and black, they're not just showing history. They're broadcasting solidarity. They're saying, our borders may be different, but our roots are the same. That's why these flags feel familiar. It's not laziness, it's intention, it's tradition. It's the memory of empires, revolts, and revolutions, and the dream of unity that still lives today. Next time you see a group of Arab flags, don't just think they copied each other. Look closer. See centuries of dynasties, struggles, and independence movements condensed into just four colors. Four colors that tell a story of empire, of faith, of resistance, and of hope. So what do you think? Are these flags a symbol of unity or a reminder of division? If you love uncovering hidden stories like this, make sure to subscribe for more.